I don't like the fact that they're exposed. All the motors are set up, the electronics, everything temporarily going to this laptop. That's the plasma torch. Got to clean up these wires a little bit more than they are. But here's fire control. So Z-axis, X-axis, and Y-axis. One thing I don't like is there don't seem to be any limit switches, so you can just run into stuff like that. So I'm going to see if I can figure out a way to put a limit switch on all of these different things. But everything appears to work correctly. So there it is.